Rivers. Unit 3 River. Here are 50 important multiple choice questions, MCQs, related to Indian rivers. 1. Which of the following is the longest river in India? A. Ganges. B. Brahmaputra. C. Yamuna. D. Godavari. Answer: A. Ganges. 2. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Kosi. C. Yamuna. D. Mahanadi. Answer: B. Kosi. 3. The source of the Yamuna River lies in A. Yamunotri Glacier. B. Gangotri Glacier. C. Setopant Glacier. D. Siachen Glacier. Answer: A. Yamunotri Glacier. 4. Which river is called the Dakshina Ganga or South Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Kaveri. C. Godavari. D. Mahanadi. Answer: C. Godavari. 5. The Brahmaputra River flows through which of the following countries? A. India, Bangladesh, and China. B. India and Pakistan. C. India and Nepal. D. India and Bhutan. Answer: A. India, Bangladesh, and China. 6. The river which originates from the Amarkantak Plateau is A. Narmada. B. Tapi. C. Godavari. D. Mahanadi. Answer: A. Narmada. 7. Which river is known as Sangpo in Tibet? A. Indus. B. Brahmaputra. C. Ganges. D. Satluj. Answer: B. Brahmaputra. 8. Which of the following rivers does not form a delta? A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Krishna. D. Kaveri. Answer: B. Narmada. 9. The river that flows through a rift valley is A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Godavari. D. Narmada. Answer: D. Narmada. 10. The Sundarbans Delta is formed by the confluence of A. Ganga and Yamuna. B. Ganga and Brahmaputra. C. Brahmaputra and Mahanadi. D. Krishna and Godavari. Answer: B. Ganga and Brahmaputra. 11. Which of the following rivers is an example of an antecedent river? A. Godavari. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Narmada. Answer: C. Brahmaputra. 12. The Tapti River flows through which of the following mountain ranges? A. Vindhya. B. Satpura. C. Aravalli. D. Eastern Ghats. Answer: B. Satpura. 13. Which river originates from Trambakeshwar in Maharashtra? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Mahanadi. D. Kaveri. Answer: B. Godavari. 14. Which of the following rivers flows into the Arabian Sea? A. Godavari. B. Kaveri. C. Yamuna. D. Narmada. Answer: D. Narmada. 15. Which river flows through the city of Varanasi? A. Yamuna. B. Narmada. C. Ganga. D. Satluj. Answer: C. Ganga. 16. The river which flows through the desert of Rajasthan is A. Luni. B. Chambal. C. Banas. D. Mahi. Answer: A. Luni. 17. Which river forms the boundary between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Satluj. D. Chambal. Answer: B. Yamuna. 18. Which of the following is the main tributary of the Ganges in Bangladesh? A. Hooghly. B. Padma. C. Meghna. D. Jamuna. Answer: B. Padma. 19. Which river has the largest river basin in India? A. Yamuna. B. Ganges. C. Godavari. D. Krishna. Answer: B. Ganges. 20. Which is the only river that flows from east to west in Rajasthan? A. Ghaggar. B. Chambal. C. Luni. D. Sabarmati. Answer: C. Luni.